How to update your delivery address on Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can update delivery address on Doordash. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to log in into your Doordash account via the website, that is doordash.com, or you could also log in via the application. So once you're logged in into your account, find your delivery address. So if you're on the website, if you navigate to your left hand side, that is your delivery address. Tap on it. If you want to edit your address, tap on the pencil icon next to your address. Now you can edit your address. Here, select your preferred address and make some adjustment. Once you're done with that, tap on Save button at the top right corner, and with that, now your delivery address on DoorDash has been updated. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.